Since making whoopee has been all the rage, it's even spread into my old bird cage. My canary has circles under his eyes. He used to whistle that prisoner's song, but now he does snake hips the whole day long. My canary has circles under his eyes. He used to be satisfied to flit amongst the flowers, but now when I let him out, he hides up in those trees for hours. He ain't got a girlfriend that I'm certain of, yet he keeps singing, what is this thing called love? My canary has circles under his eyes. When he should be taking a much needed rest, he's flying off to that old sparrow's nest. My canary has circles under his eyes. I wonder if he's in a jam. He always looks so solid. I would help him if I can. Our luck improves his calling. He won't eat his birdseed, it really is a sin. Won't sing a thing without a swig of gin. My canary has circles under his eyes, yes he does. My canary has circles under his eyes.